Okay, hello YouTube. HTD back again with another video. This time we're going to be pretty much just testing the Skullcandy Barrel XT inside of the snow. Here's the XT. Yeah. We're going to play some tracks. We're also going to make this a little bit interesting. This track name is going to be Stardust. Well, that's the artist, but no, actually the artist is Sick Dope. This song's called Stardust. So, here we go. And yeah, that was 100% volume actually. I was trying to do it on my boombox, but I didn't realize my boombox was dead. Anyway, that was that pretty much. For some weird reason, the pass radius on this don't move a whole lot, but I'm pretty certain if when I was up close, you can kind of see it moving, but it's not gonna be like mind blown like how the JBL boombox is. Surprisingly, this speaker can get lower than the JBL boombox, but for some apparent reason, the pass radius just don't move a whole bunch. Like they don't have much excursion to them. And if you looked at the other speakers about Skullcandy, they also don't have a whole lot of excursion to them, but they do sound good, and just not like the red speaker that I had on this channel, the Kilo, and the other one, which is called the Ounce. But yeah, for some reason these pass radios just don't move a whole lot. They look cool, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That was the Skullcandy Barrel snow test, and yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. If you like this, leave a like on this video. Until then, we'll see you on the next one.